Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2020 Audi E-tron 55 Launch Edition Auto Quattro, finished in sleek black with a refined black leather interior, a premium all-electric SUV built for power, comfort, and innovation. At the front, HD matrix LED headlights and orange brake calipers signal performance and attention to detail. The distinctive e-tron grille and sculpted bonnet give this SUV unmistakable road presence. At the side, it rides on bold 21-inch alloys and features Audi's exclusive virtual door mirrors, enhancing aerodynamics and style. The black styling pack and sliding panoramic roof elevate the look even further, while flush lines hint at the car's advanced electric platform. At the rear, the clean, futuristic design is finished with a full-width LED light strip and powered by a silent yet responsive 95kWh quattro system, delivering seamless all-wheel drive grip and everyday practicality. Stepping inside, the cabin is tech-forward and beautifully crafted. You're greeted by the Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus, twin haptic touch displays, and 3D surround cameras for effortless control. Heated electric front seats with driver memory ensure year-round comfort, and the cabin stays whisper quiet for long journeys or city cruising. In the back, there's ample space for passengers and gear, with a power tailgate adding everyday convenience. This e-tron is practical, premium, and all-electric. In the boot, the electric-powered tailgate opens up to reveal a generous cargo area, perfect for shopping, luggage, or your next road trip. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration KT69UDU to book a test drive or request your personalized video tour.